You may think that I know too much, but
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is a new year and I'm so excited for 2022. I hope you guys had a wonderful time, Christmas and New Year's Eve. For today I'm having a small haul from IKEA just to boost serotonin. I went shopping because since we're adults, we no longer receive, Christmas gifts, so we have to give them to ourselves. And these are the things that, as an adult, are making me happy. So I wanted to share them with you and show you what I did with them and what they are and how I use them. So stay tuned.
seen the chance you found. That shit will never fail. And you may think that I know too much, but now it's never too much.
For this first item I got was these clear organizers with dividers for our bathroom vanity because it's a little bit of a mess, and since the drawers are so high, we were wasting a lot of space. So I'm going to show you how I organize this using these trays in a second.
That's when last. Oh, your daddy gonna beat my ass. Yeah, baby. Oh, shoes, I can get enough. Spill twice.
So here is the vanity. This is the first drawer, and as you can see, everything is just thrown inside with no order whatsoever. And for the bottom part, it's even messier and chaotic. So I want to put a little bit of order and organize these as best as I possibly can.
Girl, just trust. I won't get sick of us.
And here's where I realized that it's going to be slightly trickier than I thought. So I had to turn off the camera and figure out what I was going to do before keeping on going.
My love language is your time.
And this is what I came up with going through it by how we use it in the bathroom. Here I have some pads, wet wipes, more pads, and the makeup and makeup brushes in the middle. Also, my brushes are underneath the makeup brushes. On the other side, we have everything that has to do with skincare and tooth care, teeth buckle, I don't know. On the bottom I have trimmers and waxes, also my hairspray and dry shampoo, more pads, and in the middle things that I need to try or are to replenish any of my other bottles, and then the toilet paper and wet. And so this is a cutlery draining cup that I've been looking for forever, so that I can put all of these away from my drying rack because they occupy a lot of space and they are drying, as you saw, with these water stain spots because we have such hard water. Now that I can put these away, I have so much more space to put the rest of the dishes in my drying rack.
We can stay in what don't you talk to me, talk to me.
Not only is it really cute, but it also have this kind of draining mesh in the bottom and that tray to catch the water, so it's very convenient and cute.
When